Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Win32Bridge.server.exe startup error on Windows 10 or 11. So to resolve this issue, firstly click on Start. Type CMD, right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Now here guys, type this command line sfc /scan now. Now press enter. Now guys, wait till this scanning will complete. It will take a couple of minutes. Now guys, once you see this verification 100% complete, so type the second command line dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Then press enter. Now guys, this command also take a couple of minutes, so complete this command. And guys, once you see the operation completed successfully, close it and restart. So hopefully guys, after restart we can fix and resolve Win32Bridge.server.exe startup error on Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.